Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you a beautiful place. Here you look the greenery. Here is a boat, and this place is so attractive and beautiful. So it charms me a lot, and it motivated me to capture this beauty. And you are going to see a small boat that is coming, and it is floating, and it's going to its destination. And look how beautiful the boat is. The river is totally calm and quiet. River bank is green, and here you can see some more boats and launch, and you can see beyond the boat there is a jetty ghat, and here some bushes, and here